What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today is the day. It going down, man. Hey, look, just say he gonna pull up. He gonna pull up again, and we gonna make it happen. We gonna make it happen, man. It's going down. It's going down, man. Look, y'all saw the first race. Y'all saw the first race, man. Me and Brown Coat and him and his Nova. He said he really ain't got a name for it yet. Y'all saw that. If you ain't saw it by now, you way behind. Let me bring y'all up. Y'all way behind, man, at this point. So y'all seen Jesse call for me in Dolo this time. But I gotta keep the 26s on. Cause he done drove the car, like I said, he knows the car fast, it is fast, whatever. But I gotta keep the 6s on, right? So I was like, let's try it. You know, it can go either way. Sometimes I have some good days on these wheels, and sometimes I don't. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know how it's gonna go. But y'all in for some action. And you can see by the thumbnail. If you seen the thumbnail, if you seen that good thumbnail, it went down, whatever. But either way, he pulling up, man. It feel pretty good today. It's just kind of overcast, but hey, man, we're gonna have a good time, man. That's all I can say, man. So I'm finna get this thing. I'm finna get this thing out, and you know, get this bad boy uncovered. Look, man. Listen, Dolo, man, do right today, man. I mean, you always do right, but man, come on, man, get a little traction today, man. Like, this thing here got a mind of its own, man. Sometimes he get traction, sometimes he don't, man. I need some traction today, man. I need some traction. I don't think Lawless coming to spin like they did last time. I don't think you did okay. You spun a little bit, but you did okay. You do pretty decent. You consistent. You do about the same thing every time in the road. But you, boy, ain't no telling. Ain't no telling, man. So I'm finna get this thing uncovered and everything, man. We gonna see, y'all. He say he gonna pull up again. Last time he pulled up. Now I will say that last time he pulled up. So I'm gonna wait around. Nah, I ain't gonna shoot no guns today. But anyway, we just gonna wait, man. We gonna see if he pull up and all of that, man. So he pull up, I'm gonna turn y'all back on, or either we just gonna go on out there and make it happen, man. It's gonna be showtime. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So look, man, we just got back. Man. Put Dolo up. Man, just to put the trailer gap.
Yeah,
hey,
it was ugly.
Hey,
I felt bad for you.
Hey, you said something on the GoPro.
I said bye Dolo.
Look,
They was gone.
I ain't said it. I forgot we had a GoPro on the inside of the car, man. Oh man, so by now y'all done saw it though. Y'all done saw it cause I done put in the video, but man, yeah, this thing here run good. I couldn't. Hey man, no traction, man. I'm talking about it did the same thing, man. So I guess like we just said when I got back, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put a lock in that thing, man. So y'all know it going to lawless, man. I'll tell you to just put a lock in that thing, cause it broke loose again. So man, it was a tractor trailer gap. It definitely wasn't nothing to see. Tractor trailer gap, man. Just got the. Hey man, I might have to. But hey, look, he called for me. He called for me, man. We did it again, cause y'all know this number 2. So now, man, I don't know. Who knows what's gonna happen? This number 2, but you know the first one y'all saw on his channel. If you ain't saw it, you need to go look at that. We did brown coat and Nova. Then Jesse called for me with Dolo on the 60, but he tracked the trailer gap me. So, man, y'all, who knows, man? Y'all know we're gonna cook something up, man. I might have to get my get back with this right here. They were ugly, man. They were ugly, but hey, we're gonna keep it rolling, man. We're gonna keep it rolling. But that's it, y'all. Look, man, the Hawk coming out, all of that. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.